Tonight's top story, U.S. Senator Sherrod Brown made a stop in Steubenville to meet with residents, city and county officials to break down the Fend Off Fentanyl Act. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jamie Baker.
And I'm Dylan Cleland. The law is bipartisan, and Brown says it will help stop fentanyl from making its way into communities across Ohio. Since taking over 10 years ago, Judge John Mascio has seen a lot of drug-related cases in his courtroom.
And I saw firsthand the effects that the opioid crisis had on this community. I always get emotional when I talk about it, but it was terrible.
On Friday, Senator Sherrod Brown, Judge Mascio, and other officials from Jefferson County and Steubenville gathered in his courtroom to discuss the Fend Off Fentanyl Act of 2024. It was signed into law in April, and it directly targets traffickers in Mexico and the people in China creating the deadly chemicals found in fentanyl and fentanyl-based drugs.
This bill cracks down on fentanyl traffickers by imposing new, more powerful sanctions, targeting the supply chain, by going after the billions of dollars. I mean, you just need it. We just figured out by talking to law enforcement and others, you got to go after the money, or you never keep the stuff out of the country. It restricts access to the cartel's money and their cartel's property in the United States, and it cuts them off, keeps them out of the banking system.
The passage of Fend Off Fentanyl comes at a time where usage is increasing in both adults and adolescents.
Every week, there are 22 teenagers aged 14 to 18 die in this country. Drug-related fentanyl. And you know, our youth, that's our future of this country. Without youth, I don't know where we go.
I've sat in homes of people giving a death notification to a family member who, didn't realize that their family member was even using drugs. And it turns out that the drugs that they were using weren't what they thought they were using. They were possibly drugs that were laced with fentanyl.
Moving forward, Brown said they are working to obtain funding to give local law enforcement similar fentanyl detecting equipment to what border agents are using right now.
The next step is the next bill I'm working on to give local police this same kind of detection equipment, which is pretty expensive, and it's going to have to be funded by the federal government in most cases. So when the sheriff or the police chief are making arrests or trying to stop this stuff, it will be awfully hard to hide from.
Safety and security in our fight against the drug epidemic is not just about laws and regulations. It's about fostering relationships and building trust. It's about making sure that every resident, every business, and every visitor to this county and to our country feels safe, and they have a sense of peace of mind in their daily activities.